Introducing our TSV rear light, delivering 240-degree visibility for all-around illumination and maximum safety on every ride. The TSV-SP is a compact, seat post-mounted rear light designed to keep you visible from every angle. Its eccentric holder allows flexible positioning on the seat post, ensuring a clean fit on a wide range of bikes. With an IP56 rating, it offers reliable protection against dust and high-pressure water, making it ready for any condition. Fully compliant with K-Mark, ISO 6742, and EN 15194 CE standards, it's engineered for 25 km/h e-bikes and everyday reliability. On the left is our package with a 31.6mm bracket, which also includes a rubber spacer to adjust for a 30.9mm diameter seat post. And on the right, our package with the 27.2mm bracket, both designed for a secure and adaptable seat post mounting performance. Each model comes with a 140cm cable and includes the bracket with its mounting screws and nuts and the CT22 connector for easy installation. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.lite-move.com. Thank you for watching.